Today we are going to do detailed review of BitePlay. Hi guys, my name is Kripesh Advani and here we talk about digital tools and services. Today we are going to do review of BitePlay. Now BitePlay is a YouTube marketing tool. You can use it for YouTube ads. YouTube ads is something which I think is having better scope when we compare it with Facebook ads or Instagram ads. And if you are someone who run ads on YouTube or you are a digital marketer or run any kind of ads, then this video is for you. Let's first talk about the pricing. BitePlay is right now available on a lifetime deal and you can get it for $99 from AppSumo. It's on a lifetime deal and we have 500 video searches per month, 15 topic trackers, and I think the single plan will be enough for most users out there. I am on their single plan. Now let's talk about BitePlay user interface. As soon as you will log in, you can see user interface like this. Now let's talk about the main feature, that is video search. Here you can search for videos and then run ads on those videos. For example, let's say I have some fashion accessories that I want to sell to females in US. So I'll search for some videos related to makeup, as that is going to have some female audience. I can max results 10. I will go to advanced. Now here's the main thing that you get from BitePlay, that is their filters. You can filter by minimum views. For example, let's say I need around 1500 views. License negative keywords that you don't want to include. Country, I want to target United States, so I will select that. Then we have more filters such as date, video duration. For now I'll just select the country. I'll click OK and then search for some makeup related videos. So here are some makeup related videos on YouTube in US, and if I want to run ads on these videos, then I'll just select it. I'll click get URLs and these are the URLs I'll place my ad on. I'll run targeted placement ads on these URLs, or I will just export this as a CSV. Another feature is keywords. It can suggest you keywords. Basically it gives what YouTube suggests in autofill. For example, I need some keyword related to credit card. I can type that. Language, let's say English, provider, YouTube, and then search. So here are some keywords suggested by BitePlay. Best part about this tool is that we get questions also, and if you are looking to answer some questions, you can get it easily, some keywords from here. Plus we can search in different language as well. For example, I live in India, so I can target my local audience by searching for keywords in my local language. Let's say it's Hindi, and here I have keywords in my local language, so I can target my local audience. And we have questions also. Questions is in it's similar to what I got in English. So keyword research is good, but when I compare them with VidIQ or TubeBuddy, I think those two tools are better. They are way more mature than what BitePlay is right now. But again, this is on lifetime deal right now, so you are getting good value for your money. If you want VidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can read detailed review on my blog. Link is in the description box below. And then we have here influencer. You can find some influencers here. For example, I search for influencers in laptop category, but in my experience it just uses a keyword to get the channels. For example, Dave 2D is not here, and many popular laptop creators, laptop reviewers are not here. So it's basically just using the keyword to find some channels related to that, and then you can mail them or connect with them. So in my experience, find influencer is not that good. Then we have tag generator. If you want to get tags for your videos, for example, let's say credit card, you can do it here. Language, English, and here I am going to have some credit card tags. Then we have video checker. Here you can check videos for the keywords they are ranking for. For example, here's my one of my videos and I can check what all keywords this video is being ranked for. Let's wait for some processing. Okay, so here is the results. My video is ranking for VidIQ review at number 9, VidIQ review 2021 at position 8, and VidIQ review in Hindi at position 1. So here it can give some keywords which the video is ranking for, and you can do this with any video on YouTube. Then we have video info. It just gives some basic information about the video. There's nothing special about this one. Then on trackers, we have topic tracker. Topic tracker is similar to what VidIQ is having as an alert. Basically, you can enter a keyword and you will get a notification whenever a video is uploaded related to that keyword. For example, I want an email when a new video is uploaded related to term credit card. So I'll click new topic tracker here. I'll just write some random name here for now and then continue, then new search. Then keyword that I'm going to use will be credit card. And for filters, you can set some filters if you want. For example, I need to sell something in US region, so I'll select United States. So whenever some new video related to credit card gets uploaded on United States, I will get a notification on my email. Continue. And then frequency, how often do I want to be notified on my email, daily, weekly or monthly? I prefer daily. Then finish. So it can help in three things. First, I can run ads against those new videos. Second, I can comment on new videos, engage with the audience because it's a new video, so people are more active there, so I can engage with them. I can build a community from just by commenting on the YouTube section. Or if you are a creator, then you can create similar videos or maybe a better version of that. Then we have conversion tracking to track any conversions through YouTube ads, but for conversion tracking I'll recommend to use some other tool. Right now it's in beta. Then we have content tracking. It just give you basic information of the video. That's it, nothing special about this one. And we have video maker. BitePlay have collaborated with wave.video for their video maker, but it's not a premium license. You are not getting a premium license of wave.video with BitePlay. You will have to purchase it separately. You can use wave.video, but you can just use the free version. Basically, it's just an integration of wave.video inside BitePlay. That's it. Then we have Academy. It's YouTube ads training. And this is good. If you are new to YouTube ads, then you can go through this course and this will really help you get started with YouTube. So this course is free, but earlier users have complained that they need to unlock this course, they need to first review on AppSumo. After review, they will get access to this course. But in my case, I just got one pop-up, that's it. So I think they have removed the lock since many users were complaining about it, and now you can access it without leaving a review on AppSumo. Now let's talk about some pros. It's easy to use, extremely easy, extremely simple to use. You will get YouTube training videos and search filters are there which will help you find some targeted videos on which you can place your ads. Talking about some cons, it cannot replace VidIQ or TubeBuddy right now. Both of them are very mature tool and this tool cannot replace them right now. Second con is that they don't have any browser extension for this tool right now. So now coming on to bottom line, BitePlay is easy to use, and if you are running some targeted ads on YouTube, it is not for video optimization, but if you are running some ads on YouTube, then this is a tool that you should go for. Honestly, most of the stuff that this tool is doing can be done manually, but it can save your time, and time is money. So if you think that this tool can save your time, then you should probably go with this tool. So if you are a digital marketer or sell something online or run some ads online, at least give this tool a try and learn YouTube ads. You can refund this tool within 90 days, within 60 days. So just give this tool a try. But if you don't run ads or don't need to run ads right now, then this tool is not for you. So that's all for this one. If you have liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more informative content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.